my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. So this is my Diwali look. So if you guys are wondering how you can recreate this look, then please follow me. First I take my Faces ULTIME Pro eyebrow pencil. It has pencil in one side and spoolie in another side. So I combing my brows first, then I take that pencil to fill the gaps on my brows. It is a very good pencil, and then I comb my brows again to blend the product evenly. Then I am taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on back of my hand, and with help of this flat brush I curving out my brows to give it a nice clean crisp effect. So whenever I do any kind of dark eye makeup, I always do my eyes first and then I do my face. So that's why. So then I take my finger to blend out the product. Now I'm taking my translucent powder to set the product. Then I take my Coastal Scents eyeshadow palette and I'm using this transition shade. This shade is a perfect transition shade. No matter what kind of eye look I am going to create, I always use this transition shade. So now I'm taking that warm brownish shade from the same palette and I apply this on my crease line to give my crease a nice warmth effect. Now I'm taking that dark blue shade. So whenever you apply any dark shade, try to apply this very close to your lash line and gradually go upwards, because if you go above your crease it will look so messed up, and you don't want this. So my tricks is starting with very low and then go gradually upwards. So I'm taking that dark bluish purplish kind of shade and apply this on the outer V to give the more depth. Now I'm taking that chocolate dark shade from my Coastal Scents palette and also apply this on the outer V to give my eyes a very nice depth effect. Then I take that fluffy brush to blend every single eyeshadow and create a very nice smoky effect. Now I'm taking that shimmery blue shade and I apply this on my previous blue shade, so it will look much more attractive. Now I'm applying this sky kind of shimmery shade and apply this on the very starting corner of my eyes. And now I am taking my LAKME Absolute Shine Lines. This is in the shade gold, but it's not that traditional gold shade. It is a very dark and greenish kind of shade. And today I apply this as my eyeliner. Now I'm taking a cleansing wipe to clean up any fallout. Now I'm taking my Miss Claire face primer and I apply this all over my face. What it does, it just mattify my face and make my skin so much smoother. So when I apply my foundation, it will glide so smoothly. So for today's foundation, I am taking my KRYOLAN DERMA color foundation and at first I apply this with a flat brush. Now I'm taking a buffer brush from Real Techniques and buff the foundation all over my face. Again I am taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So whenever you do any kind of dark eye makeup, you have to highlight your face very carefully, because those shades are dark, so it can make your face look much darker. So basically your under eyes, so you have to, you know, careful when you highlight your face. Maybe it looks little bit too much right now, but trust me, I am blending it out and you have to. Now I take my translucent powder to set my under eyes. Then I take that bronzy shade from my NYX palette and bronze up my skin to give it some structure. Now I'm contouring my nose. If you have a very sharp nose, then this step is not necessary for you, but it is necessary for me. So yeah, now I'm blending the product with my finger. Now I'm taking my kajal, and yeah, this is a LAKME kajal. Now I'm applying this kajal in a waterline. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and take that warm kind of shade and apply this on the lower lash line to make it a smoky effect. Then I take that blue shade again, and that matte blue shade, not that shimmery blue shade, that matte blue shade, and apply this on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking that, you know, whitish tealish kind of shade and apply this on my inner corner to make my eyes more awake. So now I'm taking my eyelash curler to curl my lash and apply some mascara. Today I do not use any false lashes, so I am coating my lashes with good amount of mascara. So for blush, I am taking that brick shade. I do not like to use any pink or reddish kind of shade, but instead of this, whenever I do any kind of dark eye makeup look, I like to use that brick kind of shade. Now it's highlighting time. I am taking my highlighter. This is from Maybelline, and I apply this on the bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, and I'm also apply this on my high points like chin, my cupid bow. Yeah, this highlighter is gorgeous. Now I'm setting my face with my Revlon fixing spray and give it a quick shower. Now I'm taking my Faces ULTIME Pro lip crayon and apply this. So this is the final look. I hope you like that look. If you create this look in this Diwali, then please send me your pictures. It means a lot for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you, then please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel before you leave. And wishing you all a very happy Diwali and lots of love from my side. Bye guys. See you soon in my next video.